Here's how to whip up this Southern comfort dish. Start by gathering a cup of stone-ground grits, 4 cups of water, a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, a 1/2 cup of whole milk, 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Kick things off by bringing 4 cups of water to a boil in a medium saucepan. Add a dash of salt and gradually stir in the grits. Reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan, and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent the grits from sticking. Now, the magic begins. Once the grits are cooked, add butter, milk, and cheese to the saucepan. Stir the mixture until everything is well combined and the cheese is perfectly melted. The result? A rich, creamy, cheesy goodness. To finish, season your dish with black pepper and serve it hot. The black pepper adds a little kick that complements the creaminess of the grits and the sharpness of the cheddar. Here's a tip. If you're looking to make a lighter version of this dish, opt for low-fat cheese and milk. And if you need to make a larger quantity, simply double the ingredients. And for those who like an extra kick, consider adding a dash of hot sauce or cayenne pepper. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.